Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on FedEx Freight. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for FedEx. Now from the homepage, click on support at the top section and you will see the billing and invoicing option. Click on this. And now, once you scroll down, you will see the Login to FedEx Freight option. Go ahead and click on this, and you will be taken into your Freight login portal. Just type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID section, and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button, and you will be logged in to your FedEx Freight account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your User ID or Password option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with FedEx Freight. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.